Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Tell me what's wrong.
हम एक हिट में जा रहे। आपको बहुत बार पता होगा कि समर में बहुत ज़्यादा लोग जाते हैं हिट्टा में समर में, और वहाँ पे ऐसे रेन नहीं चल जाते हैं, मतलब कि 2 weeks और 2 months. Come and join my journey.
Fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time
From the outside.
chemicals up in my brain, all of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay.
Let's go inside and look what is in.
This way, I really hope that you
China.
You told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
ये प्लेस थे और लकड़ी ऑलरेडी मिली हुई थी.
to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade.
यहाँ पे सब कुछ ग्लास भी था, प्लेट भी थे, कपचे भी थे, सब कुछ थे.
As you fade away.
Check out the balcony. See this view, amazing, right?
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worth.
This is the first bedroom.
If I still have you, I have purpose.
This is the second bedroom.
Know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake.
The third bedroom.
Known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
This house has 2 toilets.
As you fade.
Now let's go upstairs. We have 6 beds and view from the window.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong.
Now it's time to have some fun. हमने सोचा हम काइट उड़ा दे.
Smile until
Now let's have some food.
hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I hope you like this video.